Here is a summary of the query method. The expression in the string must evaluate as true or false for every row. That means we're creating some condition where every row is either kept or discarded. Column names may be accessed directly with their name. So we saw that. We just write out their name directly in the string. Often you can use one of the comparison operators to create a condition. This is the most common way to use the query method with one of the comparison operators. You can use chained comparison operators to shorten some syntax. The operators and, or, and not are able or available to you, unlike with Boolean selection, to create more complex conditions. If you want to test against a literal string, then you have to surround it in quotes. You can use the in operator to test multiple equalities by providing it as a list. You can do arithmetic operations. They work just the same as they do outside of the string. Use the at character to reference a variable name. And then if your column name has spaces in it, then surround it with backticks.